Welcome everyone, and thanks for joining us. I'm Aaron McGee, Product Manager for Control Panels, and today I wanted to discuss the proper testing method for the 1168 Smoke CO low temperature sensor unit. This is an exciting new unit that we released, and I wanted to make sure that we put a video out with our corporate trainer, Adam Barton, showing how to properly test this unit, since there are multiple factors to it. So you have the smoke side of it, you have the CO side, and the low temperature. Want to make sure that you and your teams know how to properly test this detector. So let's jump over and quickly look at the proper testing method.
Today we're going to be talking about the 1168 Smoke CO Temperature Combo Detector. I want to take a little bit of time to show how we test the unit and verify that everything's working properly. There are two buttons on the front of the 1168, and one is for testing the smoke detector and the other is for testing CO. And there are a couple of different types of tests that you can run. So if I just briefly press one of the buttons on the front of the 1168, it will run a self-diagnostic, and we'll hear that spoken with the voice enunciation.
Smoke sensor is good. Battery life is more than 12 months. The alarm will now sound in 5 seconds. Press test to cancel.
And I'm going to go ahead and cancel that for right now.
Test canceled.
And there's a similar self-diagnostic for the CO detector. For the functional test, to test for actual smoke or CO entry into the sensor, we want to press and hold the test button down for 5 seconds to initiate that test. Let's start with the smoke test.
The detector is now in smoke system test mode. The smoke sensitivity level is 2.4%. Warning, a smoke test signal will be sent to the panel and an alarm will sound. The detector is now ready for smoke entry. Press test to cancel.
So after the very helpful voice enunciation, I now know that it's ready for the test. So I'm just going to take my canned smoke and put this right over the smoke chamber. So there our 1168 is going off, and we see that alarm being transmitted to the panel. I'm going to go ahead and press the button to cancel the test. And I'll put in a code to silence the alarm and perform a sensor reset. There we go. So that was our smoke detector test. And with the 1168, it's a synchronized sounder, so any other 1168 on site will also sound. And this is also compatible with any existing 1164s that may be on site. So any kind of DMP wireless smoke with a synchronized sounder is going to be compatible with the sounder on the 1168. So let's go ahead and run the functional CO test. All we have to do is press and hold the CO test button for 5 seconds.
The detector is now in CO system test mode. Warning, a CO alarm signal will be sent to the panel. The detector is now ready for CO gas entry. Enter gas or press test to cancel.
Now that it's ready, we're just going to take some CO and put that straight into the chamber. And so there's our carbon monoxide. You get the voice enunciation for instructions, and you have the blue LEDs flashing along the side as well. Let's go ahead and turn that off.
Carbon monoxide. Move to fresh air. Warning, carbon monoxide. Move to fresh air.
So we've entered our code to silence the alarm and performed a sensor reset, and everything is back to normal now.
Those are the proper testing methods for the 1168, and I hope that you found those very helpful and useful, especially for your technicians and service teams out in the field. Hopefully this will help make sure that we're getting that tested properly during installation and during service times. Now, remember, this detector is very flexible, a lot of great opportunities with this detector, using that CO, using the smoke, and also using that low temperature sensor. For remote cabins, this is going to be great for people wanting to check in on those locations and get the alarms in case of those CO or smoke coming in as well. So thanks for joining us, thanks for your time, and thanks for your business.